Well, hello there. This is Paul with Spitsbergen Window Cleaning and Pressure Washing. I just wanted to send a quick video kind of by way of introduction about who we are and what we do. So our business has been around since 2000 with the primary goal of making the world a more beautiful place. We do that through multiple core values. We have four things that are core values for us. One is beautiful experiences. We want everybody's experience from point A to Z all the way through to be a beautiful thing. Second, we want beautiful teamwork. We want to not just provide jobs for our local community. We want to have people that come on board with us, leave better than they came, that they grow, they thrive in our work environment. Third is through beautiful conquering. Every day's got challenges, we get that. We want to conquer them with beautiful style. And fourth is with beautiful giving. Giving more than what's expected, more than we take. We want to give to local charities, we give to local community events, and supporting local businesses, things like that. So the services we offer to implement this mission is through soft washing, first of all, which is a couple different things. Roof washing is one, and house washing or building washing. And that basically is a detergent-based proprietary system we use with low pressure. Then we have pressure washing, and this is using high pressure. This would be your hardscapes like your concrete, your patios, your stone sidewalks, and things like that. And with the pressure washing, we also do offer a sealant application in certain circumstances. Then we also do window cleaning, both interior and exterior, so you have both options on that. And then lastly, gutter cleaning, which is also available with an optional leaf guard installation after the gutters have been cleaned out. So it's a little bit of a snapshot of who we are and what we do, and hopefully we can make your world a more beautiful place in the near future. Thank you, and God bless.